This is a video on how to calculate rate of change. Okay, the rate of change tells you how steep a line is. So how to calculate it is by using this formula. Rate of change equals rise over run. So in order to calculate it, you need to pick 2 points. They can be any 2 points. So let's pick this point and this point. Then you make a triangle. And this part right here is your rise. And this part right here is called the run. So the rise is equal to, looks like the rise goes from 20, I guess my highlighter's kind of big. The rise goes from about 15 to 20. So it starts at 15 here and goes all the way up to 20. So that means the rise is a total distance of 5. And then the run, looks like it starts at 1 and goes over to 2. So the run is equal to 1 hour because it just goes from here to here. So the rate of change of this line would be equal to rise over run, 5 over 1, which is just equal to 5. And you can use the graph units, so meters per hour, 5 meters per hour. So in this graph, the rate of change is saying how fast someone's going. It's telling us the speed. Let's try this one. So we have to pick 2 points. Say we pick this point and this point. Can pick any 2 points. And we look and we make a triangle. First thing we have to do is figure out the rise. So it goes from down here all the way up to here. So what is this total distance here? Looks like 12. And then this part down here is the run. It goes all the way from 0 over to 6. So the run is equal to 6. So the rate of change equals rise over run, 12 over 6. And 12 divided by 6 is 2. And if you want to use the units, they're dollars per minute. So that would mean $2 per minute. Okay, and then in this graph, since there are no numbers, we assume it's going up by 1, 2, 3. This is like -1, -2. This side's going up by 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2. Okay, so we still just pick 2 points. So let's say we picked this point and this point. Then we make a triangle. And we find the rise. So this is the rise, and it's just equal to 1. And this is the run, and it's equal to 1, 2. Now, since our line is sloping down to the right, it actually means it's going to be a negative rate of change. So the rate of change of this line is equal to 1/2. And since it's going down to the right, it's -1/2. So any lines, anytime, so if you have a graph anytime your line is going up to the right, it's a positive slope. But if it's going down to the right, it's a negative slope.